Alam mo ba, hindi lahat ng pagod, pahinga lang ang solusyon. Minsan puyat ka, stress, puro junk food, tapos mapapansin mo na lang na pagod na yung mukha mo. Pero mas pagod na pala yung katawan mo. Kasi minsan, katawan na natin ang humihingi ng tulong. Kidney, liver, immune system, napapabayaan na. Kaya importante na alagaan natin ang ating mga katawan from the inside because prevention is better than cure. Good thing may mga natural supplement that can help support our overall wellness. Like this. Chanca Pedra. Help support kidney health and normal urinary flow. Sambong. Known for supporting kidney function and natural detox. Folic acid. Support cells growth and red blood cell formations. Grapeseed extract, rich in antioxidant for circulation and cell wellness. Spirulina, nutrient-rich superfood for energy and immunity. Ear placenta, supports skin health and overall vitality. Hindi sila magic ha, at hindi rin sila instant results. Pero with consistency, malaking tulong sila to support your body naturally. This product has no approved therapeutic claims. Pero real talk, hindi ka pwedeng puro hasa lang. Kung hindi mo aalagaan ang katawan mo, sino mag-aalaga? Start small, start today. Your health is your real glow. Gandang may wow! Simply Supplements.